Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your MacBook screen. Alright, so we're going to clean your MacBook screen now. So first of all, you need to shut down your MacBook and unplug all cables and power connections. This prevents any electrical damage and it makes the screen easier to clean because you can see it better. You can use a clean, soft, lint-free microfiber cloth. Make sure that it is clean, of course. Don't use the one that you've been using on your car or your bicycle. And these specialized cloths actually are great. They won't scratch your screen's delicate coating. You can then lightly dampen the cloth with plain water only, nothing else, no chemicals. Never spray liquids directly onto the screen to prevent moisture damage, because the water or whatever chemical you may be using, which you shouldn't be, could run down into underneath your screen. And then make sure that you're cleaning it with gentle motions. So gently wipe the screen in circular motions to remove any dust or any smudges, and then apply minimal pressure to avoid damaging the display. Use a dry microfiber cloth to remove any remaining streaks and ensure a crystal clear finish. Some things to note: never use cleaners with acetone, ammonia, hydrogen peroxide, or any abrasives. Avoid spraying liquids directly onto the screen to prevent internal damage. And for stubborn smudges, 70% alcohol wipes can be used gently on hard surfaces.